A single phase 3 clinical trial can generate millions of data points, but what actually happens to one of them from the moment it's captured to the moment it influences whether a drug or device gets approved? Let's follow one. Patient 0047, visit 3. An MRI of the knee captured on a Tuesday morning. Completely routine. But it's about to travel through 5 stops, and one of them is where the real scientific work happens. The patient gets scanned at a clinical site. Before that image goes anywhere, it's assigned a coded subject ID, replacing the patient's name and any identifying information to protect their privacy under regulations like HIPAA. De-identified and secured, it flows into the trial's data system and up to the sponsor, the pharma or biotech company overseeing the trial. They're collecting data from hundreds of sites across multiple countries. They organize it, monitor it, but they do not analyze it. That goes somewhere else. And that somewhere else is an imaging core lab. This is where most people's understanding of clinical trials has a blind spot. An imaging core lab is an independent, centralized facility dedicated entirely to evaluating medical images from clinical trials. Every MRI, every X-ray, every scan from every site around the world flows here and gets reviewed the same way. Same board-certified specialist readers, same validated measurement tools, same standardized criteria every single time. Here's why that matters. If clinical sites in Germany and Texas are reading MRIs with different protocols or different readers, your data is inconsistent. And inconsistent imaging data doesn't survive regulatory scrutiny. The core lab's job is to eliminate that variability. They design the imaging charter up front, defining what gets collected, when, and how it gets read. They receive and quality check every incoming scan. Specialist readers evaluate each image blinded to what treatment the patient received, removing bias. When readers disagree, a formal adjudication process resolves it. The result is clean, audit-ready data the sponsor can actually use. That standardized imaging data, including our MRI from patient 0047, ultimately lands in a regulatory submission reviewed by agencies like the FDA. Is this treatment safe? Does it work? Is the benefit worth the risk? No single image answers that, but collectively they form the independent expert evidence that does. Without an imaging core lab, imaging data is inconsistent, legally vulnerable, and often rejected. With one, sponsors get defensible, publication-ready evidence. They're the scientific backbone most people never see, turning raw images into the evidence that changes medicine. Here at MMI, we believe that every data point has a journey, and that every stop matters. Are you interested in the imaging core lab stop? Visit us at medicalmetrics.com.